We'll guide you through how to fix your Samsung phone microphone not working. If you find this guide useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. You may be finding the microphone isn't working in specific apps or maybe as a whole on your phone. We'll go over methods which are going to be for both of these. So let's get started and make sure it's just full thing. So go and open up your settings like so. And then what you need to do is go and scroll down until you go and see apps just here. You're going to see a list of your apps. So if this is happening in a specific app, you need to go into it. Let's say it isn't working in WhatsApp. So what I'm going to do is go and click on it. Then first of all, go to the bottom right and click on force stop and press OK. Then what you want to do is come into permissions. And in here, make sure it has access to the microphone. Of course, if it doesn't have access, then that's why it may not be working. So go and click on microphone and then click on allow only while using the app. You can have another permission if you want there. And also, if this is not happening in WhatsApp, it's another app, just do the same thing. The same steps are going to apply. So after you've gone and allowed the microphone, then what you want to do is go and scroll down into storage, and you want to click on clear cache in the bottom right, and then click on clear data in the bottom left. Go and see if that fixed your problem. If it still didn't and it's happening as a whole on your phone, then stay in your settings. What you want to do is go to the top and go into connections, then go into Bluetooth. Make sure your phone isn't connected to a Bluetooth device because that device may have some type of microphone on that your phone is trying to go and use. So switch off Bluetooth and go and see if that goes and solves your problem, just in case it is the problem. And then what I recommend you do is you go and restart your device. To go and do that, you can hold down the power button. Some devices you may need to hold the volume down button with it. Press restart and restart again. Now wait for it to restart, and after that, hopefully your microphone will be working.